Hey guys! In this video, I want to show you how to make these miniature Ciniminis, so let's get started. I made my own clay using the salt dough recipe. I mixed together 2 parts of flour with yellow and brown chalk pastel, 1 part of salt and 1 part of water until I get dough consistency. To make Ciniminis, you want to take the clay and flatten it out really thin, cut it into strips, and bake at 110 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes. After baking, take X-Acto knife and cut the strip into squares to get base for your cereal. After that, paint the brown swirl on it with watercolor or acrylic paint. For the box, I used a picture from a store handout. However, you can print out yours and also design the whole box digitally too. I glued the picture onto some thin cardstock and drew out the box layout with some tabs for gluing it together later. Then I went in with tempera paint. First I covered the price tag with white and then painted the rest using the real box as a reference, but you can paint it however you want. After all the paint is dry, cut it out, glue it together, and seal with matte glaze. And for extra detail, you can make a bag for the cereals out of plastic, and you're done! Thank you for watching!